Hello everyone, my name is George Kambarakis, President of Structural Engineering Technologies, PC, here in Long Island City, New York. I remember my mother telling me stories that I would be building things out of any household items, any scrap pieces of cardboard. I'd be putting together little villages with cardboard, and she says, he's going to be an engineer. I basically started out with only a part-time draftsman, and now we're almost 30 people.
The challenges of building in a metropolis is that it's congested. It is difficult to make a hole in New York without affecting other structures.
All the buildings are very close to each other. So when you're trying to build very close to another building, you have to make sure that you don't impact that building negatively.
Of course, there are larger projects, but I would say there are no simple projects, at least not here in the city.
Most of the time we have to dig right next to an existing building that could be 100, 150 years old, and we have to protect that building from damage.
I've trained my staff to not only learn and design the building that we're actually designing, but to know that building's environment, every single property around it. We become familiar with those properties as much as we do for our own project.
It's our job to protect the sites to make sure that accidents don't happen.
We like the challenging projects, actually. The more challenging they are, the more we like them.
With great challenges comes great opportunity, and we have become experts at making holes in New York City.
It's really cool to get to discuss with more experienced people about your questions, doubts, whatever, and everybody helps find a solution.
I wanted to be a firm that can basically handle all things dealing with buildings. It dawned on me one day when I was sitting in an office with about 20 people, and I realized there were separate consultants for so many different things.
The real success in SET came from becoming a company that does it all. It does engineering, foundation, support of excavation, demolition.
The benefit to our clients is great communication.
It's all connected. You need to know the entire workflow to be able to deliver a project.
The foundation design influences the SOE influences the foundation design, and the client gets the best product at the end of the day.
Every construction needs to be economical. And at SET, we're very aware of that. We make that priority, that the structures are not only built right, but also price that works for everybody.
It does save a lot of time and money for our clients because there's no back and forth with any other consultants.
From very early on, we're dealing with the clients, we're dealing with the contractors, we're dealing with the architect directly. So we feel like it's really our babies that are being built.
I've worked on bridges that I've been able to drive over. I've worked on buildings that are changing the skyline.
This is our mark, the mark that SET leaves in New York City.
I really do take a lot of pride in that I can look at something and say, we did that, we built that.